The fact that we are a university that focuses on helping students to solve problems, to think, to be analytical, to think creatively, to have social responsibilities, and have ethical reasoning. With that kind of foundation, it's easier for the students to adjust to different environments and emerging careers.
Our students are trained to be project-ready engineers so they can hit the ground running once they graduate, and they work on a variety of projects because our curriculum focuses on the fundamentals of engineering. Since we don't have that disciplinary designation, students take coursework across a variety of engineering subdisciplines.
Here at JMU, and specifically in Madison Engineering, we're taught hands-on. We're working on a project with actual clients. We're actually creating something for them, and it'll actually change their life.
You can come through this building 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night. You see students working or students having meetings, interacting. And you'll see students in the hallways with their robots, testing their project. It's very student-focused.
The uniqueness of this program also has to do with the faculty members making sure that you are on a specific path going forward.
And most professors, I would say, when you do show up and show interest and show that you want to learn, that they reciprocate equally and help you learn.
I love that my professor's always like, if you don't know anything, talk to a friend, work together, and which is really important because, in businesses or wherever you're going to end up being, you need to work with someone.
The encouragement that I've seen a lot of the students get for making sure that they actually apply to jobs and apply to internships will end up being incredibly useful in the future.
Companies find that when our students join their organization, the initial training doesn't have to be as in-depth. But the students take with them a foundation that the companies are able to build upon and actually help to jumpstart the students' careers.
That's one of the biggest things at JMU, is that they make sure that we as undergraduates come out knowing what we're doing.